This road is getting awfully narrow.
You got a bicyclist up ahead, too.
And a big truck coming towards us. This is gonna be a tight squeeze.
Your margin for error is pretty small here. Safest thing to do is deal with them one at a time.
How do I do that?
Just ease up off the gas and slow down a bit. That way the truck will pass you first before you get to the bicyclist. Then you can move to the left to give the bicyclist more room, but stay in your own lane.
That worked well. But now there's kids on one side and cars on the other. No way to avoid this.
Now split the difference. Steer a middle course between the two. But kids pose the greater danger. You don't know when they might make a sudden move. So slow down and give them a little more room.
Now we're stuck behind a truck. He's going awfully slow.
Do you see the orange triangle? That indicates a slow-moving vehicle. He's probably going as fast as he can.
Maybe if I honk, he'll pull over.
Not a good idea. It's only legal to use your horn to avoid an accident.
Do I have enough room to pass?
Passing is very dangerous. You need at least a third of a mile visibility. If you can't see that far, always assume another car is coming. A slow-moving vehicle must pull over at the first available turnout if 5 or more cars are behind it. If you have any doubt about passing, it's best to wait. If you know there's enough space, make sure you signal, look in your mirrors, and over your shoulder before you pass. And make sure there's enough space between you and the car you passed before you return to your lane. When you can see both headlights of the car behind you in your mirror, then there's enough room to pull back over.